I'm wheeling my way to the hospital. See, I'm in a wheelchair. But it takes me too long for me to go to x-rays, so I'm trying to find it myself, and I'm making so much trouble. But I need to find this bitch. I need to get my x-rays on my ass done, because I fell down the stairs. Oh my god, I can't go on. They're coming for me. Making a break for it. What's that? Oh, that's the outside. Ooh. Maybe it's through this way. Where am I going in this big hospital? I hear people calling my name. Make a run for it. I will not. You will not take me. Gosh, a door opens towards me. Stop! No! You will not take me from my You will not take me from my people.
Because they distribute. Dude, come on. They're not going to give you medicine, and they will call a psych ward on us.
Why? I don't want to go to a site. I just want my damn x-rays, and I think they're this way.
Because we are acting like fucking lab jobs.
I just want to get my x-rays. Which means I need to go through this door. I think they're this way. Come on. No! Let's go.
Dude, he really doesn't think you left. He thinks you're in the hallway just giggling.
No, I left. Screw that.
I'm not doing this. I'm going to
Come here.
Bye.
No, come here.
No.
Come here. Come on.
No. I would kick Sabrina's ass if she did this.
Whirling through the... I will find the x-ray room.
It's not on this.
That is the quiet room.
Ooh, elevators. Now we're leaving the floor. So,
up or down?
Libby, please.
Ah! No! I will not! I need to go!
Libby, oh my god, I don't know.
I need to find x-rays. No, don't leave me!
I'm not getting arrested.
Fuck it, I'm going.
Fuck